If you use Intercom as your client messaging software, you can utilize the Document360 extension to provide real-time support to your users without having to leave the Intercom chat box to access your knowledge base and share articles. In this video, we look at how to set up the Document360 extension for Intercom and a couple of use cases to see how this can benefit both you and your users. Once you're logged into your Intercom account, search for the Document360 app in the Intercom App Store. Select the application and click Install, and select the Document360 project you want to provide access to and authorize. After the app has been successfully installed in your workspace, you would require an API key to complete the configuration. To obtain this API key, we'll need to head back to the Document360 portal. Under Settings, Knowledge Base Portal, select Extensions. In the Helpdesk tab, you'll find Intercom, and we can generate the API token by clicking the Generate button. Copy this token and paste it in Intercom and submit. Select the project version and the language you wish to use and click Connect. Now your Document360 knowledge base will be accessible through Intercom. To see the extension in action, let's suppose we receive a customer support query regarding one of our products. Having access to a product's knowledge base right within the Intercom interface means that we can quickly find answers and link relevant articles right within the chat. Another use case for the Document360 extension within Intercom is to help users self-serve and find answers themselves. You can easily configure an article search app widget for this purpose. A customer can use this widget to search through and explore the knowledge base themselves. As you can see, Document360 works hand in hand with Intercom. You no longer need to leave the Intercom workspace or spend time opening external portals to access your knowledge base, thus saving time and improving efficiency. The Document360 extension can also help in reducing incoming support tickets by providing users the ability to self-serve.